Welcome to another tutorial in C#. In this tutorial we are going to integrate the DeepSeek API in C# app. It will customize our resume according to the job description. The Resume Customizer is your AI-powered job application assistant. Just load your resume and the job description, either by pasting text or uploading files. With one click, the app sends them to DeepSeek AI, which instantly analyzes both documents, rewrites your resume to match the job's keywords, and generates a professional cover letter tailored to the role. No more manual edits. Once processed, save the polished files and apply with confidence. It's fast, free, and designed to help you land more interviews. Try it today. Here cover letter is generated following by resume. It can be very useful for those who are searching for the job. Load resume is used to add the resume, and the load job description button is used to add the job description. After loading to the both, when we click the generate button, it will generate the resume and cover letter for that specific job. The source code download link is in the description box. Please subscribe for more future updates.